What if being lazy could actually make you smarter? What if you could learn faster and be more creative, while you sleep? This is not a dream. It is real brain science. Today, I will share 3 simple secrets to unlock your brain's power. These habits are very easy, and they will change your life. This first trick is amazing and so simple. Scientists did a very interesting test. One group of people studied new words. While they studied, they smelled a sweet scent, like roses. Another group studied the same words with no scent. Here is the important part. The rose group also smelled the roses while they slept that night. The next day, everyone took a test. The group with no scent did okay. But the rose group's scores were nearly perfect. Just by using a scent, their memory became incredibly strong. Here is how you can do it. Choose a special scent you like lavender or lemon. Use that scent only when you are studying or doing important work. Then, keep that same scent in your room when you go to sleep. Your brain will connect the scent with the information, and save it more deeply. Just remember to use this scent only for important things. When is the best time to practice a new skill? Most people think it's in the morning. But science says the opposite is true. In another study, people learned to play a new video game. One group practiced in the morning. 12 hours later, they played again. Their skill was 50% worse. They forgot almost everything. But the second group did something different. They practiced the game at night, right before they went to sleep. They slept for a full night. The next morning, they played the game again. Their skill was 20% better. They actually improved while they were sleeping. This is because your brain works very hard while you sleep. It reviews your day, organizes memories, and improves your skills. So, if you want to learn something important, do it before bed. Your brain will do the hard work for you while you rest. Do you ever get your best ideas in the shower? Or when you are walking and not thinking about anything? This is not an accident. It's how your brain solves difficult problems. When you have a big problem, we often try to force an answer. We think harder and harder, but we only get more stressed. The smartest people do the opposite. They stop trying. This is not giving up. It is a choice to let the problem go for a while. When you relax, your brain starts to work in the background. It connects old ideas in new and surprising ways. Then, when you are not expecting it, the solution appears. So, the next time you feel stuck on a problem, don't push harder. Take a break. Go for a walk, listen to music, or just do nothing. Let your mind be lazy. Your brain will reward you with a brilliant idea. So let's remember these 3 secrets. First, use a special scent for important learning and sleeping. Second, practice new skills before you go to bed. And third, take a break from hard problems to find creative answers. Being smart is not about working hard all the time. It's about working with your brain. Now you know how. Go try these tips, and start living a smarter, easier life.